Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you SOP 3 of advanced web designing. But before starting, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and click on the bell icon such that you will get all notification of upcoming videos. Advanced web designing SOP 3. Create a website using HTML and CSS code to design web page as follows. The first page will accept the name of traveler, date of travel, telephone number. It also has submit button as an image. The second web page has information about the name of transporter, time, seat number and destination displayed one below, the other in the form of an order list as name of transporter AirAsia, time 9:30 am, seat number B39, destination Delhi. Both pages should be interlinked. Create external style sheet with relevant tags. Okay, so let us start coding, and I have given A to Z coding of this practical in the description so you can check it out. So first of all, go to the notepad and start your coding with HTML head title tag, and here our title is information form, and once you give the title, close title tag. On the next step you have to write link rel equals to style sheet, then type equals to text oblique css, and href equals to external dot css. After this, on the next step, close head tag and open body tag, and once you open the body tag you have to write h1 align equals to center, then type traveler information form, then close h1 tag. On the next step, form name equals to f1, then write enter your name, then input type equals to text, name equals to name, autocomplete, then twice br. After this you have to type select date of travel, then on the next step input type equals to date, name equals to trv date, then twice br. Then on the next step you have to type enter telephone number. Then input type equals to submit, name equals to submit, and value equals to submit. After this you have to close form tag and type twice br. On the next step write ahref equals to page2.html. Now this is important as this will connect page 2. Now to insert image, type image src equals to kubersmade.png. Now let me tell you how Kubers made his ear. So for that, go to the image which you want to choose, and right click on it, go to the properties and copy the name. And while doing this, also watch the type of file. Here type of file is .png. On the next step, close body tag as well as HTML tag. Now here our first page coding is over. Now we have to save this file. To save this file we have to select particular folder in which we want to save our file. Now let me select the folder name, that is SOP2. and I have to give the name to my file. I am here giving sop3.html. Now let us start second page coding. And for second page coding, you have to go to Notepad and you have to start your coding with HTML head title, and here our title is information and transporter. After giving the title, close the title tag. On the next step, link rel equals to style sheet, type equals to text oblique css, href equals to external.css, then close head tag and open the body tag. On the next step, h1 align equals to center and type information about transporter, then close h1 tag and open the ul tag. And once you open the ul tag, use li tag and type name of transporter AirAsia, close li tag. Do same thing with type, then use li tag and write seat number B39, then close li tag. Then again open the tag and write destination, then close li tag. On the next step, you have to close ul tag, then type ahref equals to page.html, connect first page. This will connect the first page, then close body tag, also close HTML tag. After this, you have to save this coding. Okay, so let us look at the output. So for output, open your first coding file, and as you can see, this is our output, and we can easily fill up this information. And after filling information, if we click on the submit, then second page will be opened. As you can see, this is our second page. And that's all for today, guys. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel. And if you have any query, then ask it in the comment box. Thank you.